Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, I'm gonna show to you how Thai celebrate this what we call Loy Krathong Festival. So I'll give you an idea about it, and then later this evening tingnan natin kung paano sila mag-celebrate. Okay, so yeah, ate muna ako ng flag ceremony ng mga bata, and then I'll get back to you.
12น้ำก็นองเต็มตลิ่งเราทั้งหลายชายหญิงสนุกกันจริงวันลอยกระทงลอยลอยกระทงลอยลอยกระทงลอยกระทงกันแล้วขอเชิญน้อง
Natapos ko din! Yeah, it's already 11th of November and today is full moon at ngayon nila isa-celebrate ang Loy Krathong. So, pinakatapos ko siya on the day, diba? Pangit naman siguro kung matatapos ko siya bukas, tapos na yung celebration ng Loy Krathong, diba? So guys, what is Loy Krathong? Papakita ko sa inyo just a glimpse of what is Loy Krathong. Okay? So, andito siya sa bulletin ko. Pasensya na kung hindi masyadong maganda. Kasi minadali lang namin But, of course, also tired. Yung kung nakita ko nga natapos, pero sige na lang. Kasi kailangan kong tapusin ngayon. So, tingnan natin, basahin natin kung ano ba ang Loy Krathong para sa mga Thai. Gaano ka-importante ito para sa... So, what's Loy Krathong? What's the meaning of Loy Krathong? Loy, which means to float. As long as mababasa mo siya, yung sa isa is Y, tapos yung na-print ko is I. It's okay because that the important thing is how you read it. At saka yung krathong means a flower basket. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamayang gabi kasi mamayang gabi sila magfo-float ng mga krathong in the river. Now, when do they celebrate it? Loy Krathong is celebrated every full moon night in November. So this year it falls on the 11th of November. And then what is it all about? The custom of Loy Krathong is believed to be the way of thanking the mother of water, and at the same time nag-wish din sila. And then how do they do it? They celebrate Loy Krathong by floating krathongs in the river while thanking the mother of water and making a wish. So where is it celebrated? Loy Krathong is celebrated all over Thailand, with the grandest in Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Surathani, and Hat Yai. So this is already the third time, or my third time to celebrate the Loy Krathong. First was on 2017, yung first akong dumating dito. Doon sa Nakhon. Just 1 hour away from here. 1.5 away from here. And then, last year, dito na sa Sichon, at saka mamayang gabi. So, let's see kung paano sila mag-celebrate, paano nila binibigyan ng halaga ang kultura ng mga Thai. So, that's it guys. I'll see you later sa gabi.
Nahimo ko.
Yeah, this is has 55. Narak, meaning it's beautiful. Good. Let's go and let's also try the So, simple lang ang pag-celebrate ng Loy Krathong dito kasi medyo baryo lang tong sa amin. Kaya ito. Hi, ma'am! Say hi to my kababayan. Yan. Hi, Teacher V! Sadika! Tingnan niyo. Yan. Ito sila mag-celebrate. Not so close. Thank the Mother of Water and then make a wish. By the way guys, nilagyan namin ng coin kasi sabi nila pampaswerte. Usually, pag Loy Krathong, inuulan talaga.
But not
Kaya
now.
lang ngayon, hindi inulan. Kaya medyo maputik pa din doon. So guys, yun yun. Ganito lang kasimple ang celebration nila dito. Tapos may program doon sa kabila. And then that's it. In Chiang Mai or Bangkok, medyo mas grande. At saka meron din silang lantern. Yeah, and that's it guys. I hope na I was able to show you what's Loy Krathong Festival. Have a nice day.